So I'm about to head out. We're gonna get the new sail for the boat, so yeah, that should be really cool.
Excited.
And you're gonna be working.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay here while Bryn goes and run some errands.
Right, so I'm gonna take you with me anyway. I'll see you in a bit.
Bye.
Bye. So, before we go, I'm going to phone a friend that I know is not too far away from where we're picking up the sails. So we'll give him a call and maybe I'll grab lunch with him. Maybe. Let's see.
Stop.
What up? You're good?
What you wanting?
I'm about to go and pick up the sails. Well, the sail. So I could be with you in about 45 minutes, an hour, something like that.
Sounds cool, bro.
Do you want to grab lunch?
Yeah, I should have finished climbing before you get here. So yeah, I'm done.
Alright, well, even if you haven't fully finished, you can finish and then we'll grab lunch.
Yeah, cool. Sounds good, bro.
Alright, cool, man. I'll catch you in a bit. I'll phone you when I'm leaving the sail place.
Okay, perfect. Alright, see you later.
See you in a bit. Bye.
Bye.
Sounds like a plan to me. Oh, there she goes. She's a man-eater. I just came to say hello. So I've just got to the sail place. We're just going to go pick them up and then we'll continue on to meet Ali. We are at Gosport Marina and we are trying to find Wamba. So he's just over there. Oh, looks like I'm going to have to climb a ladder to get on his boat. And you guys know how I feel about heights, but let's get it done. What up, dude?
Ahoy there.
It's so weird seeing your boat out the water.
Weird, isn't it?
How's everything going?
It's a mess, it's a mess.
Permission to come aboard? So, this is Ali, aka the Nomad Sailor. And basically we met on Instagram, what, a few months ago?
A few months ago, yeah.
Just before Christmas, and basically neither of us seem to know what we're doing too much, so we're just trying to help each other out all the time.
Two people don't know what they're doing, and you know a little bit more.
But yeah, so this is his boat Wamba, which is
a Moody 30 built in 1979.
It's a nice boat, man. Such a good boat.
It's super messy. We'll do this again when it's cleaned up.
Yeah, okay, so if you guys want to do like a Moody 30 boat tour, just let us know and we'll potentially do one of those when he's got a lot of the jobs done and we're back in the water. Right, I'll catch you guys in a bit. When you're at Gosport, you've got the naval ships just over the way. You always get a nice sight looking out at the boats. It's pretty cool, man. How was your food?
Oh, I knew you were going to catch me. I knew it quickly before you turned around.
Oh, I'm so brutal sometimes. Food is quite good, to be fair. Although it's a little bit pricey. It was a bit pricey.
A little bit pricey. If I'd take out a mortgage just to have lunch here.
It's definitely Port Solent eating. But it was nice food though. It was nice food. I think I'm going to head back in a bit. Right guys, we are leaving Ali behind. If you want to go follow him, it's go on, you can.
Oh, the Nomad Sailor.
Nomad Sailor.
Everything, Instagram, YouTube, everything.
He's a really cool guy and he's really funny and he's really awesome to be a friend of. So
thank you very much.
Check him out.
Terrible with electrics.
He's terrible with electrics. He blows batteries up. So, right, I'm gonna catch you soon, dude. And
oh yeah, let me know. about the towel thing.
I will do, so guys, I've got something to show you in a sec. I'll see you in a bit. So we're back on the boat, and I said I would show you what Ali has kindly
Thank you, Ali.
gifted to us. So Ali, you're a legend.
So yeah, we've got 2 adventure towels, which are an absolute lifesaver on board.
Yeah, because they're so small.
Yeah.
Like, don't get me wrong, like, nice big fluffy towels are really comfy, but
These dry so fast, and
yeah,
awesome. And this waterproof bag,
this
Epic.
is epic.
it's got like the backpack straps.
Backpack straps, it's padded, it's fast dry, it's just, everything's so good on it.
It's good quality.
Good
as well.
quality, like, the pockets are just, he knows what he's doing,
If you're not already, follow the Nomad Explorer.
There's more?
The Nomad Sailor.
So yeah, thanks Ali.
Yeah, we'll link all of his media in the description if you want to go and check him out. Yeah, he's a lovely guy. The next thing we want to talk about.
This, obviously you saw me pick it up, but I cannot say how happy I am to have this sail, because our boat it's quite it's an old boat,
Yeah.
but it's quite overpowered in its sail plan.
Yeah.
So
have you already spoken about what we've got and stuff? Or?
I don't know whether I have.
So we've currently got a Genoa. What percentage did we say it was?
It's like 135%.
30 something percent.
Yeah.
And we've been getting on alright with it. We've sailed it in all kinds of weather, haven't we? Like heavy winds, light wind. In light winds, it's brilliant.
Yeah.
In heavier winds, we've tried furling it in a little bit, and it's just not effective. It's not efficient.
We need to reef sooner, which isn't a problem. Like, we could do that, but when you reef in that massive Genoa, it just doesn't have a good sail shape afterwards. Even with a bit of tweaking, it's just not. It's not meant to be reefed in like that. It's a light wind sail, so.
Yeah, so we thought we'd better upgrade to a heavy weather jib, especially for crossing the Bay of Biscay.
Yes.
Where we could face possibly some higher winds.
Yeah.
So
And here
it is. This was also from Flu Sails,
Yeah.
where we've had our other sails serviced and checked over.
Should we get it out?
Oh. Do-do-do-do-do.
Bow, 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 bow.
Oh yeah.
We've gone for this nice fetching red. What's it called?
Hang on.
The UV strip.
UV strip. UV strip.
You said that, so I said.
I said it first.
A UV strip. But yeah, so it's got a nice red UV strip. Yeah, we're so happy to have this sail. We can't wait to get it out and give it a go and see how the boat performs. I'm buzzing.
Yeah, that's excellent.
So, yeah, busy day. Day.
We also had a visit from someone that we've been speaking to on Instagram, one of our followers. So if you're watching, George, thank you for coming to see us, and thank you for the bottle of wine. That's going to go down really well. It's getting a bit late, and we don't really want to start, boat cleaning at this time. And we also have to go. We don't have to. We're going to go and say hello to some other boat neighbours to continue our sociable day.
Yes.
Very sociable today. And then we're going to carry on cleaning tomorrow.
Yes.
But yeah, so we'll see you tomorrow.
Yo. This is not a sponsored video. This is, we genuinely believe in these products, and we want to share why. Just quickly, so bear with us.
Yeah, it won't be long. Basically, we have used EcoWorks Marine already. We came across it on the Green Blue.
Yes.
Which, if you haven't seen it, please go and check it out. There's so many valuable resources about how to be a more responsible boat owner, sailor, when you're around the sea.
First off, they're eco-friendly. It's all recyclable. They do everything in such high concentrations that it lasts you so much longer.
Like this is dilute 1 to 10.
So yeah,
degreaser, so it's so good for like oil and, you know, the engine bay and stuff like that.
pH neutral.
Yeah.
The way they make these chemicals is thinking about the environment first, and to be honest, they clean really well.
Because like I get a lot of people might not want to use the environmentally friendly option thinking it won't do a good job, but this stuff is actually so good. So, you know, it's best of both worlds really. It's kind of guilt free and it does a really, really good job anyway. As good, if not better, as some other suppliers. Yeah. Really.
Yeah, out of the ones we've used, I would say that these are actually better than, but again, we've been quite cheap with some of our products, but this is actually a really good quality product. Yeah. And we haven't used every single one of these, not yet anyway.
No, exactly. Like we're kind of just starting the big cleans now before we go out, so we've only used some of them, but we will get through all of them. And again, we've got a lot of cleaning to do.
So this is not a sponsored video by any stretch, but I do want to say thank you to EcoWorks, because they did actually send us these products here so we can keep using them.
Yeah, really appreciate that. And yeah, they're also so lovely to talk to.
So knowledgeable.
So nice. And go and look on their website, because they're actually such a great company in so many other ways. Like, they're helping with all kinds of initiatives.
We didn't really want to do a video like this.
Yeah.
We don't necessarily want to seem like, you know, salesy. That's not...
Yeah, it's not a case of they've sent us, you know, all of this and then asked us to talk about it.
They actually asked us to do the opposite.
Yeah, they said don't kind of, you know, do a whole sales thing for it. But this video, we're doing cleaning in this video, and we just kind of wanted to let you know what we're using. We know that they're a good company, and you know we don't want to use anything polluting or damaging, like, at all. Yeah. So,
and these are the best.
These are the best. So we were already going to use this, and the fact that you know, EcoWorks, and they've been so generous to send us this, we just really, really wanted to give them a shout out. So really, really hope you enjoyed this video. It's been a really good, productive weekend, and we just kind of wanted to finish off by saying a massive thank you to everyone that's watched the video so far and has supported us. Yep. We're like really, really shocked and grateful that so many people have enjoyed what we've put out so far.
Can't believe there's so many subscribers. Like, genuinely, thank you so much for subscribing.
And really helpful subscribers as well, full of really useful comments and advice. So yeah, thanks all so much. Yeah, like, the videos are gonna get, we think, a lot more interesting from here. The next video we're gonna go proper sailing and anchoring, so and that'll be really, really fun. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit subscribe. It really helps us out. If you enjoy this content, hit the like button, those little things, it means a lot. We're just going for a little walk, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Bye. Also, like, honestly, what do we look like? What do we look like?
We don't look good.
Why do we have no fashion sense?
We've never had fashion sense.
Like, why? What is this style?
This is, I don't know, I don't even know what this is. Shabby chic.